Hello everyone, welcome back to Grammar's class. Today we are going to start chapter number 29, Writing Stories. This is the last chapter of our syllabus. Writing stories is very important. How to write a story, that we are going to learn today. There are few points to be written in your notebook like shown here. I will be sending you PDF of the same. So don't stress while watching the video, just listen and understand. So, this all points you have to consider while writing the stories. Stories usually always begin in an exciting way. So, to make it exciting, what we have to do, we have to hook, means we have to attract the reader right from the beginning. Now here are the few points. We will understand that how we are going to use this all points in a story. For reference, you can keep your textbook page number 144 in your hand. So hook means the reader wonders what was so bad. What did he do? Who he is? Like that. Example, we can take it was the worst thing that could happen. If I say I start the lecture like that it was the worst thing that could happen, then you all will be interested that what is the point. No one imagined he could do that. So this way you are going to hook the audience into your story. Second point is setting. Setting means when and where did the action take place. You have to give the scenario of the story, that how and what you are talking about. Like characters also you have to describe in second point. It was very dark and cold, much darker and colder than it usually is on a January morning in Darjeeling. So this way you are going to explain setting. In setting, characters are also included. Who, what did they look like, what was their personality, how did they talk, what were they doing. This all things should be mentioned in characters. Example, he rushed past me into the crowded lane. I turned around to look at his retreating figure. His loose shirt did not fit his small shoulders. His trousers were way too short for his long legs. So, this way you are going to describe the character's look and personality. Then comes problem. So, as a problem means, I am giving one example. As I was peeing the driver, I heard a gunshot. Birds cried painfully as they took off. I looked up at them and the people in the crowded market. Where's my bag? I had just kept it down to pay the auto rickshaw fare. All my parents' hard earned money was in it. So, sometime in a story, some suspense, some problem occurs that you are going to mention. Then only the people who is reading your story will get interest. Then comes suspense. Now, suspense word, you are very familiar with it. In your movies, in your serials, you are seeing this, that there is lots of suspense that what is going to happen next. So here you have to describe the exciting undertakings by the characters. Example, I turned to look to the tall fellow. He had melted into the crowd. The auto driver rode off, ignoring the fare I held in my hand. The crowded lanes were quickly becoming empty as the shopkeepers clumsily pulled down their shutters and shoppers disappeared into the darkness. Then next comes solution. So then when you are saying the story at the end, it should have the happy ending, right? So you have to write some good ending in the story, and at the last you will be writing the conclusion. Conclusion means At the end, finally, what happens that you have to write. Here, further in the story, it is given suddenly someone dragged me into a moving car and drove away in great speed. I opened my mouth to scream, but the elderly man who had dragged me looked at me kindly and said, "Where do you want to go, daughter? My driver and I will drop you safely. We have just received news that trouble is breaking through the city." So here is the happy ending, that that person got lift from the elderly man and reach home safely. So this way you are going to write a story. It should have hook, setting the characters, problem, suspense, solution, and conclusion. Now, further, I will be sending you some stories. You will be learning it and writing more and more stories by your own. Till that time, practice this and write this down in your notebook. Bye bye. Have a nice day.